Hello everyone, China Glass 2026. I'm going to check the most important booth, and please make sure you stay with me and make sure you don't miss it. Let's go and hit the booth right now. Let's go. I'm going ahead in that way. The main entrance is in that direction, which means there are more international players ahead. Let's check the first one. SGP. What about that one? NSC. Glass Global Group. It's going to be in Beijing in 2027. Tiama. Kindly. Rider Glass, the name is quite special. SGS. Morgan. Advanced Materials. BORIT from India. BORIT from India is a little bit small. Qilu. Batch plant from Shanghai. Cara Glass is a huge one. I see their equipment. They've got a big equipment here. They've got a big piece of equipment here. Lisek. Glaston. Look at the logo. Cave. I think the H is silent. Lisek. Self-Pro, the name is superb. Soleras. Omei Plastic. What about that one? It's touch. Okay, it's pretty hard. Attack import. Okay. It's a compound word. Glass tech. Honeywell. Yeah, it's an international one. Bodera. Sorg, S-O-R-G. What about that one? Ben Teller, makes it happen. That stand is pretty classy. IPG. Is that an I? I think it is an I. A logo. Road tag. Look at the logo. Made in Germany. That is the German pavilion. That is an Italian pavilion. This one is from Italy too. Fence. Fosbell. Fives. It's easy to remember. Fives. This one from Germany. It's from Germany. PVB. It's quite busy. Ferrari. Look at the logo. The logo. BDF. PDF is big. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you are into this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your time. See you in Beijing in 2027. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.